Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to do a petal fold. This is one of the steps in making a lily, so you can refer to that video as well. I'll just make sure I'm in the right position to start. There we go. So using the upper section of my paper here, I need to fold those edges in towards the middle. As you're making these creases, make sure they're nice and strong and sharp, because when you get to the point of opening the petal up, it'll help a lot. Then I will unfold these. Using that edge in the middle, you need to pull it out, and as you do so in the process, those side parts that we made creases in before, they will want to go down on top of the paper. So I'll gently allow those flaps to pull out and then flatten into shape. I tend to do one side at a time when I'm doing this. It's a bit similar to doing a bird base if I think about it. If you are familiar with the lily or white flower that I've done a tutorial for, they use this technique, so you end up doing this on a few other sides. So if you'd like to, go check out those videos and keep practicing those petal folds. I'll keep going here just to get it in the system, make sure we know what we're doing. Just keep watching, keep observing, and keep folding as usual. Here's a tip for folding edges into the center of things. I tend to leave a gap. It might be a couple of millimeters, so I don't have any overlapping happening. And you can also adjust the gap if need be. I could probably make mine a little bit closer, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how I do it. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.